Hello and welcome to our new video. Today we're diving into a comprehensive comparison between two leading AI meeting summarizers, Fireflies and Airgram. But before we jump in, make sure to check out the links in the description below to explore these tools further. Fireflies AI is a robust meeting management tool designed to streamline your meetings and enhance productivity. It offers automatic meeting transcription, AI-generated summaries, and tracking of keywords and topics. With features like meeting speaker talk time tracking and customizable vocabularies, Firefly's AI provides valuable insights for optimizing your meetings. Its seamless integrations with popular platforms make it a convenient solution for businesses and professionals alike. While the free version comes with limitations, the Pro tier offers significant value with advanced features at an affordable price point. Airgram, on the other hand, is another contender in the AI meeting summarizer arena. It boasts features like automatic transcription, AI summaries, and smart search filters. Airgram's focus on user experience is evident in its intuitive interface and customizable meeting templates. With integrations with platforms like Zoom and Google Meet, Airgram aims to simplify meeting management for its users. However, some users may find its features to be more basic compared to Fireflies, and it may lack certain advanced functionalities. Both Fireflies and Airgram offer valuable features for meeting management, but the better choice ultimately depends on your specific needs and preferences. Fireflies excels with its advanced features like speaker talk time tracking and customizable vocabularies, making it ideal for businesses and professionals looking for comprehensive meeting management solutions. On the other hand, Airgram may appeal to users who prioritize simplicity and ease of use, especially for those with basic meeting management needs. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you again soon.